Meet Jenny. Jenny manages the accounting department at Bill's factory. Jenny uses written notes, spreadsheets, and bookkeeping software that was bought at a local office supply store to try and keep the company's books in order. Fred's sales team members typically drop off their sales orders weekly for Jenny to enter into the system. Jenny is quickly inundated with paperwork and emails that have to be manually entered into multiple systems. Later that day, Jenny gets a call from a customer asking about an invoice they never received. Jenny searches her spreadsheets, bookkeeping software, and files to find the missing invoice, but can't locate any of the records. Jenny knows Fred's team is probably to blame and has to stop what she's doing to go ask Fred. He's nowhere to be found, likely on the golf course with a prospective customer. Wasting even more time looking for Fred, Jenny quickly gets frustrated and goes to voice her frustration with Bill, the owner. Jenny says she cannot do her job using inefficient and disconnected systems, and she needs a real system, one where she can see everything she needs to see with the click of her mouse. Bill sets out on a journey to find the system that Jenny needs. After talking to his golf buddies and researching the topic on the web, Bill found a potential solution. He then proudly summons Jenny to his office to review his findings. Bill explains that the problem was not an accounting problem, it was the inability to connect the steps between the multiple tools used in their current process: spreadsheets, bookkeeping software, web store orders, written notes, emails, and approvals. Then Bill went on to explain the benefits of a complete cloud ERP solution delivered by Navigator Business Solutions. Fast forward a few weeks. The new sales order process built around best practices is in place, providing all departments with the visibility they needed and updating accounting automatically in real time. Jenny was soon receiving sales orders via the mobile app, and resellers could place orders through the customer web portal. Jenny could kick back and watch the orders come to her, while the accounting was automated behind the scenes. It was all possible by implementing the right cloud ERP solution delivered by Navigator Business Solutions.